What's up, gals? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys, or doing a tutorial using the newest palette released from Juvia's Place. So earlier this year, Juvia's Place released their mini palettes, and looks like it's going to be a trend because they came out with 3 new ones. So these were the original 4, the chocolates, the berries, the nudes, the violets, and they came out with the sweet pinks, the mauves, and the taupes. And I picked them all up because I love Juvia's Place. I love shopping with them. I love their eyeshadow formula, and I love their packaging. But before we jump into the video, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. When I say comment, like, comment down below what you like to see, because you know, I'm just keeping out videos that I think you guys would like to see or I enjoy watching. So if there's a particular video you would like to see, let me know, because I definitely need ideas for the month of September. I have all of my August videos already planned out, but for the month of September, I don't have anything. So definitely would love to know what you guys want to see. But yes, let's go ahead and jump into the swatches of the eyeshadow palettes, and then we'll get into the tutorial. All right, so let's go ahead and jump to the swatches. I'm gonna start off with the taupes. So those are the taupey shades, and this palette has some really pretty shimmers, but the mattes are just so light that it's not my vibe. Like, it's pretty, but it's not my style. I usually like to be able to, you know, deepen out my outer crease with deeper shades. I don't usually like that really light wash of color on myself per se. Next is the mauves, which looks mauves. Next is this palette. So this is the mauves. Oh my gosh, this color story is cute. This shade right here is so pretty. Like this into this deep shade right here. Gorgeous. And then lastly is the sweet pinks, which looks like this. All right, and this is the sweet pinks. My goodness, the shimmers in here are insane. Oh my gosh, like that is so pretty. Alrighty, so that is it for the swatches. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into the actual eye tutorial. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I did take a poll on Instagram asking which of the 3 would you guys prefer to see, and the winner was the sweet pinks. I knew I didn't want to use the taupes because honestly it's the most boring looking of them all, and I was torn between the mauves, which looks like this, and the sweet pinks, and the sweet pinks won, so we're going to be using this one today. I could probably jump into the mauves. We'll see. I'm so thirsty. I have my Zevia here. Have you guys ever tried Zevia? It's like no calories, 0 everything, and it tastes just like soda, because I don't drink soda. I haven't drank soda in years, so this is how I'm able to have like my fix. Anyways, so I have my brows partially filled in like usual, and then to prime my eyes, I use my Plain and Makeup by Yolando in the shade B to go ahead and do that. Now we're going to just go ahead and jump into this eye look. Starting off, I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm just going to put this in my crease. All right, so that has been put into the crease. Didn't have any problems applying that on, blending that out. Went on like a dream. Now I'm gonna go back into the palette. I'm gonna take this pink right here. It's like a magenta color, and it's so pretty. And I'm just gonna go ahead and like place this here. So what I'm doing is I'm packing on with a fluffy brush, and it's really giving a pretty look, a really pretty one. Instead of just going in, like normally I would grab the shade and start blending as I'm putting it on, but I like this like packing on, because you build up the intensity of the color you want, and then you can go later and just kind of like buff out like the edges slightly. That way you still keep that pigmentation without having to constantly sit there, pack on, blend, pack on, blend, pack on, blend. All right, so I'm gonna take this like more pointed brush, and I'm just going to buff out the edges of that pink shade that I just put down. Ooh, that is gorgeous. I hope it looks good on camera because in person, this looks really good, but on camera, like I just feel like the viewfinder, I'm just seeing like pink. I'm gonna actually go back into, not go back, I'm gonna grab this shade. I didn't put this on earlier, but I'm just gonna take this and just slightly buff this out so that way it looks a little bit more diffuse. Okay, now for the lid, I wanted to just take this shade, but now I want to use this shade and this shade. So let's make that happen. Starting off, I'm gonna go into this shade first, and I'm gonna place this in my inner corner eye, but also kind of bring it out a little bit more. Ooh, that is so pretty. I'm loving these like 6-pan eyeshadow palettes that Juvias is putting out. And honestly, I want them to do it in every color. Like, it'll make me so happy. Cause you know, sometimes like, yes, there's rainbow palette. Hold on, let me try to focus. Yes, there's like rainbow palettes and whatnot, but like sometimes, you know, you just wanna do a green eye. It's just like this, I don't feel like pulling out or whipping out my big rainbow palette. I just want some green eyeshadow. So I love the fact that it's 6 pans straight to the point. Sometimes you don't even need to do 9 pans. You just need 6 shades, get straight to the point and create your look real quick, you know? And this shade right here, this shimmer, by the way, applying like a dream. I was thinking last night, I realized that I have not like done the whole like, you know, wet your brush or wet the eyeshadows. I used to do that all the time. And I don't know like why I stopped. I think honestly, I think I just got better quality eyeshadows, and also I use a better eyeshadow base. Cause once I started using like the P. Louise, the Anastasia eyeshadow base, I noticed that decrease. And I think, you know what, that plays a role. And also better eyeshadows, because it's not every time spray your brush. Like the eyeshadow should be able to go on without that additional work. But anyways, I'm gonna go into this shade now. I cleaned off this brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put this here. I didn't want to cut my crease today because I'm actually filming 2 makeup tutorials, which I have never done. Like I've never filmed 2 makeup tutorials in a day. I'll film like 2 videos, but it'll be like on 2 separate topics. Like usually I'll film a tutorial and I go into a video where I'm just kind of like talking, like I'm reviewing something or something like that, you know? But today I'm gonna have to literally take this all off and like do another eye look and everything, and that eye look is going to be a little bit more intense. So I want to kind of keep this one a little more simple. I didn't feel like cutting the crease because I'm going to have to, more than likely going to do that in my other video. Alright, so I have that on, and I'm just going to take my brush and I'm just going to blend like these 2 colors here together. You guys, comment down below the type of videos you want to see, because a lot of the times when I post stuff, it's stuff that I think you guys will like or I enjoy watching, so I do a video on it. So if you want to see me use any of those other palettes, I got you. It's probably not going to be the next one to come because I already have like my August videos planned out. But, or you know what? I can always do it on Instagram or Insta stories if y'all want that as well too. Like do a look on Insta stories, because doing a whole production here on YouTube, editing and all that stuff, man, stuff is draining. All right, so I think I like the way this looks. I think I like the way it looks. I had the idea of going ahead and putting on a wing using this purple color from the ABH Norvina, her cake liners. But now that I'm looking at it, I kind of just want to do a standard black. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and do my wing liner, my lashes, and the rest of my face, and then we'll be back to like do the bottom shadow. All right, you guys, so I'm back, and I said I was gonna do wing liner. I lied. I decided not to. I was just like, I don't feel like doing all of that. But yeah, I went ahead and did the rest of my face, and then on my lips I have the Colored Rain Ooh La La liquid lipstick. Now we're just gonna go ahead and do the bottom shadow, and I'm gonna take that pink shade right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and smudge that pretty much all down here. I cannot see with this piece of hair right here, but we're gonna try to make this work. Okay, I like that. And then I'm just going to take, I need another small brush. I'll use this one. I'm gonna go ahead and take that shimmer that I have here Or should I do, you know what? I'm gonna actually take, where's that? I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's the only color in the palette that I didn't use today. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put that here. So there, that way, oh, I used all 6 shades, you guys. I used all 6 shades. Wow, proud of myself. Ooh, I like that. And now I just want it to be a little darker, just a little bit. And I'm gonna go into the Mauves palette. I'm gonna take this shade right here with this like flat brush and just like smudge this here to just kind of make it a little bit darker. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and throw on some mascara. I'm gonna use the Fenty, her, what is this mascara called again? Her Full Frontal Mascara. All right, I need to set my face because I just feel like I look a little dried out. I'm gonna take the Revolution, their Prime Set and Glow, shake this on up, and it just becomes this glorious shimmer. All right, I don't know how I'm feeling about this lip. I don't know, I like it. I like it. It's different. You know, I love gloss. So I was like, you know, let me try something different today because I have this plethora of liquid lipsticks that they honestly are just there for decoration at this point because I like lip gloss. I hardly ever use liquid lipsticks anymore. So I was like, you know what, let me use this. But anyways, you guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I mean, Juvia's Place, like for the most part, they have just never done me wrong. Like I love their eyeshadow formula. This was a dream to put on. Literally. Had no issues, went on smoothly. I really like this pink one. Like this pink palette is gorgeous. If you like pink eyeshadow, you're gonna love this. And I love that it's just a concentrated pink eyeshadow palette. So you kind of know what you're getting. But I am intrigued to use this one because this shade right here is like a shifting shade. Super pretty. And then there's the taupes, but I mean, I don't know, that one didn't really, you know, catch my eye. So, but I just bought it because you guys know I collect their palettes here. So at this point, and it's terrible. It's actually a really bad thing to do, to buy something that you don't really have any desire to like use, but you're buying it because you want to collect it. It's really terrible. So don't follow my lead, but I can't help it. I'm already this far in, so I just got to keep going. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and check out some of my other videos. I'm going to have them on the screen. They should be popping up right now. So yeah, check out my other videos. I have a whole Juvia's Place playlist if you want to check that out. And I have other videos. I just posted my top colorful eyeshadow palettes. I've been on a real colorful binge lately. So if you want to check out that, I'm gonna have that linked down below, or it should be somewhere here. But anyways, until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.